Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So let's have a look at Hopr Coin or the Hopr altcoin. And as you can see here, it's up like 134% in the last 7 days, which is, I would say, a massive pump. And it is relatively a low cap, as you can see, like 37 million. It's not that high. And back in 7 days it had a market cap of 23 million or 19 million. So this pump just came after it gained like 16 million, so that is a massive pump. Now, as of now, the token is not available on that many exchanges. It's available on Coinbase, Uniswap version 3, MEXC, Uniswap version 2, Leto, CoinEx, Get.io, and most of the volume is on, as you can see here, it is available on, okay, so most of the volume is available on Coinbase, and that may have caused this massive surge since 88% of the volume is available on, I would say, on the Coinbase, or most of the volume is on the Coinbase. Now the token itself is available on Gnosis chain as well as Ethereum, as you can see here, and this is a privacy focused token, as you can see here. So basically, Hopr is a way for people, companies and devices to exchange information online with complete privacy. People who communicate and transact using Hopr or apps and services which run on top of the Hopr platform can be sure that no one can find out what the data is being shared, who is sending or receiving it, or even how much data is being sent. So basically they are all in on the privacy, so that is their main niche, and that could be the reason that there could be a surge in the users that could have actually caused this massive demand for the Hopr coin. I don't know, that is a possibility. And again, I did check all of the news. There is nothing I could find that could have actually pushed the token higher. There were no news or anything that I could actually find as of now. There could be a reason that the token basically ended up breaking above 200 EMA that may have caused this massive surge, but we'll talk about that at the end of this video. Anyways, now they also have Gnosis VPN, which they are working on, which is still under the development, and as of now it's available on Linux and Mac OS. It's not available on Windows or any other platform, so that's something. And this is what they offer. They offer different things, as you can see here. And again, this, I would say, is a pretty massive product that they are developing, and if it turns out to be pretty good, I think the demand for it could actually increase as well. Now this is their staking hub where you can actually stake the token as well, as you can see here. And if we talk about the use cases of the Hopr, it can be used in the medical tech, as you can see here. Sensitive medical data needs the highest level of privacy, so that can be done through the Hopr. After that, there is a crypto use case. Current DeFi and other crypto services regularly expose the users' IP addresses and other things. There is also decentralized energy as well, so they are working on a lot of things, and it does have, I would say, a pretty good I would say that it has a pretty good use case, so that could actually be the demand driver for the token in the long term. But if we talk about the token's price in the short term, it has been you can say one of the tokens that usually does pumps and dumps, so that can be seen here. Even back in 2022 it did the exact same thing again here and here. Even when it came out, like, it was trading around 87 or 70 cent. After that it actually ended up hitting 95 cent. After that, as you can see, it had a massive price crash. After that it went down, and it actually had a massive price surge again. Same thing happened. As of now, the token has started to go up again, so I think this coin can be said that it is a pump and dump coin. So this coin may not be a good coin to hold for a long term. You can just get in, take profit and get out. That's what I think this coin is all about as of now, at least. Now if we look at the token itself, I think one of the reasons why the token may have gone up could be this break above 200 EMA. As you can see here, this is a perfect retest on 200 EMA, and after that this massive surge happened. And another thing or another problem with this coin would be is that it doesn't have that much availability on exchanges. It's only available on Coinbase and on some other exchanges. And there is another thing that I found out that could be a pretty big one. So basically, if one wants to use Hopr, they can pay tokens to send data through the Hopr network. So the first demand driver could be that someone could be sending the data that could have actually pushed the price higher. Another thing would be that users can actually stake the token and also vote on the governance. And if you look here, this is how the investors looks like. It is backed by Binance Labs, so there is a possibility that it could see a listings on the Binance, at least on the Binance Alpha in the future. I think that is a possibility. Again, I'm not sure about that, but it could actually happen since they do have Binance Labs as investors. But again, there is no news for that. And as of now, once I think we get a solid news on why the token is pumping, the pump could actually go and continue, but it doesn't seem like that is the case. There was a massive selling, and there were a lot of sellers waiting to sell around 11 cent, and the token has started to go down. So as of now, if you are planning to trade this coin, at least trade this coin, I'm not talking about the holding, you can basically get it around 6.2 cent, and even 4.7 seems to be the pretty good entry point. Getting it on a market price could be pretty good as well, but I don't think so, because I think there may be some users who are most likely taking the profit. So again, as there is a lot of trading happening for this coin, I think there could be another big leg up as well. So that is a possibility, because as of now there is no news behind it, so it's just it's just going up based on the trading volume. So I would say if it does goes up, there is a possibility that it could again peak around 14 cent or 17 cent. There is a possibility, and again getting it around 6.2 cent could be the pretty good entry, or even 4.7 also seems to be the pretty good entry for the coin. And as for the long term, I could not find its exact token release, so I'm not sure about that. Still, there is around 500 million supply to go, so I'm not sure about that. Anyways, this was it. I hope you like the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching. Do let me know what you think about this token and whether you like the analysis or not. Anyways, this was it. Thanks for watching.